Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel where science is all about trying to learn various concepts through the science while practicing a lot of questions. In this video, we are going to solve this question on Leetcode regarding concatenate the name and the profession. The difficulty level of this question is easy and I'm going to share the SQL schema as well as the Pandas schema in the description box below. Okay, the question reads, we are given a table called person, the three different columns, person ID, name and profession. Person ID is the primary key, that is column with unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains a person's ID, name and profession. The profession column is an enum which can take values doctor, singer, actor, player, engineer or lawyer. We are asked to write a solution to report each person's name followed by the first letter of their profession enclosed in parentheses. Okay, return the result table ordered by person ID in descending order. Okay, let's go through this example. So here we have various person IDs, their names and professions. So what we need is we need the person ID and then the name, which should be Alex and in parentheses S for singer, Alice in parentheses A for actor, Bob in parentheses P for player, and so on. And that is what we have in our output. So to solve this question, what we basically need to do is from this table called person, we need to keep only the person ID and then have a concatenated name column. So let us keep the person ID column. So person ID, and then what we need is we need the name with concatenation of the first letter from the profession, and that should be within parentheses. So we can go ahead and write concatenate, then take the name column, then you need to have a open parenthesis, then you need the first letter of the profession, and profession, if you look at it, is an enum basically, which is a string. So what you need to do is we need the first one, right? So we can use the left function. So left, take the profession column and keep only the very first value from the left, and then what you do is you close the parentheses. Okay, and you need to rename this as name. So let us alias this as name, and this should also be ordered by person ID in descending order. So order by person ID in descending manner. Okay, let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So yeah, this is accepted. Our output is exactly like expected output. Let me go ahead and submit it, pass all the test cases. So yeah, this is accepted and this is how we do it. So not a difficult question. What we basically had to do was from this table called person, we kept only the person ID column, and then for the name column, we kept the name, but we had a concatenation with the open parenthesis, kept only the first letter from the profession column, and then we closed the parenthesis and we alias this entire thing as name, and finally ordered by person ID in descending order, which was the requirement of the question. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there is a better, more efficient solution to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.